Right, today we're fixing a record player. Bought this from Cash Converters, and I thought they tested their kit before they put it out on the shelves, but obviously not. On this one, the belt was broken and not in position. It was actually wrapped up around underneath. So what I've done is I've made a new drive belt from a inner tube. So that's the shape that I actually cut, and yeah, it stays on. So the motor itself actually maintains a speed, and the same as when you change the speed from 33 to 45, it maintains that speed, but both speeds are too slow. Even the 45 is too slow for a 33 record. So what we're going to do today is take this motor out. I've already checked the voltage supplied to the motor, and it's about 13 volts. So you know, it's a 12 volt motor, so that's fine. So we'll take the motor out, and then we'll take the back off it, and then we'll have a look, see if we can see anything wrong with it. Okay, as you can see, there's actually not a lot in here. All this is here is a preamp. It's got a selection there for two different outputs, so you can do line or phono, depending on what your machine is. Just got a bridge rectifier, smoothing cap. Like I say, the output from this to the motor, because literally the motor switch is here and somewhere else, yeah, up here at the front here. So there's not really a lot to go wrong. So like I say, we're going to have to take this motor out and have a look. So we've got pots in here for adjusting high and low. Let me get my angle right again. What we'll do, we'll try and take the circuit board out and just make sure that everything is as it should be in there. So we've got one capacitor, so we'll check that out. Circuit board's looking a little bit discoloured around this component, so what we'll do, we'll check this capacitor first, make sure that he's okay, check the diode, and then what we'll do is we'll put it back together and see if we get the right speed. We can try adjusting these pots. We still got a bit of movement there to adjust them, so that might do it, but chances are this component here might be faulty. It should be 22. 20. That'll do. Fine by me. Okay, nothing's changed, still going at the same speed, so I'm pretty sure now it's that one 4-pin component, so we'll work that out. I'll order a new one, and we'll come back to this when it arrives. So at the moment we're on Boxing Day, so not quite sure when it'll arrive from RS Components. So yeah, until then, I'll be back.